Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Pratik Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I am the one who's going to cook a nice egg curry Kolhapuri style. So let's start cooking. For egg curry Kolhapuri style, first we'll make the Kolhapuri masala. The Kolhapuri masala will be made in two stages. First we'll dry roast the masala. First I'll switch on the gas. As the pan starts to heat up, first I'm going to add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, sesame seeds, mustard seeds, carom seeds, stone flower, bay leaf, dry red chilies, and to balance the heat, I'm going to add some salt. So guys, I'm going to roast this masala for at least 2 minutes and then I'm going to keep it for cooling. In the meanwhile, we'll make the Kolhapuri masala second stage. For this second stage of Kolhapuri masala, again I'm going to switch on the gas, add oil, at least 2 tablespoons. And once the oil heats up, I'll start adding the spices. First, I'm going to add dry coconut, green cardamom pods, black cardamom pod, the star ingredient, star anise, cloves, nutmeg, mace, cinnamon stick, black peppercorn, and last fenugreek seeds. Our second stage of Kolhapuri masala spices are also roasted. Now I'm going to transfer them into a bowl. While the spices cool down, we'll boil the eggs till that time. The eggs are almost ready and the spices have also cooled down. Now I'm going to grind the spices into a fine powder. I'm going to transfer all the spices into one bowl. And to the spices, I'm going to add some seasoning. First, hing, turmeric powder, and last, red chili powder. So guys, our Kolhapuri masala is now ready. Let's start making the gravy. For that, first I'm going to add oil. As the oil starts to heat up, first I'm going to add chopped ginger garlic. Saute it for a minute. Now at this stage, I'm going to also add chopped onion. As the onion starts to get golden brown in color, I'm going to add the Kolhapuri masala. As the color of the masala starts to get changed, I'm going to add some water so the masala doesn't burn. I'll keep adding the water on regular intervals till the masala gets properly cooked and the gravy gets ready. As the oil starts to separate, I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to take every egg and dock it and place the eggs one by one. After adding all the eggs, I'm going to cover the pan and cook it for at least 2 minutes. Our egg curry Kolhapuri style is now ready. Now for a final touch, I'm going to squeeze lemon in it and serve it. So there you go guys, our Anda Curry Kolhapuri style is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.